Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Momma Bear's Homestead and more. On today's adventure, oh, this is gonna be an awesome one, guys. And I already know somebody's probably gonna gripe at me, but when I unloaded this, I left the blade up. It's all right though. But hey, look what is the newest thing on the homestead. John Deere 35G mini excavator. No, it's not ours. I wish. But oil looks great. Figure out how we get this to go back down. There we are. There we are. You guys back out of the way. I like that little hood. I like that way over the Kubotas. Okay, this is the battery. It looks like our antifreeze is okay. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Hydraulic is great. Looks like it's been greased decently, so that's a plus. You got a thumb. I'm gonna guess that's a 24-inch bucket. And the best part about this, guys, it's gonna be here a little while. Yeah, Momma Bear was giving me a hard time. She's like, yeah, you got your toy, so you can go play. But guys, I got all kinds of work I can do with this thing. I've not got my water line bought yet, so I'm not going to do that. Dig that up. But I'm going to run a water line from the store down to the barn for the pig waters, and then I'm going to go ahead and run electric down there. I don't know that I'm going to get my electric hooked up, you know, right away, but I'm gonna have it dug and down there. Super excited about that. But I think the first little task I got is down by the barn. I hauled in a bunch of concrete one time and I just took a loader and pushed it. Well, with this, I'll be able to set that concrete in that wash and clean some of that mess up. So hope you guys like this and see what we get into. That's one more piece of junk that's been up there by the junk tree that don't need to be, so let's take it down to where we're gonna put it. This excavator is going to be awesome. a steel fence post, guys, right there. That would have been great to find on a tractor tire. But we'll get that plucked out of there and get it in a metal pile. Alright guys, I want to show you something. I've personally never had a piece of equipment in here. What I'm working on right now is, the previous owners of the place had a burn pile here, and it was a ravine that was washing out down into the creek. So I have stuffed all this concrete in here, and now that up there is burn pile stuff, and there's some up here. But what I'm going to try to do is sprinkle that stuff down in this concrete, try to get it to hold. But we're getting there, guys. This is gonna work awesome. But I'll show you, or I'll give you guys a little tour of this. Looks like rock that I put in there. I wish I'd have done a little better job of shooting this before I started, but I ain't been at it very long and I've made a lot of improvements. Momma Bear's on her way down to see it. She hasn't seen it yet, so we're gonna see what she
I see land that we've had for 5 years that I've never seen before.
I still want, I'm gonna get a hold of Jeremy and have him bring I think 2 dump truck loads of dirt, and I can smooth all this up and get everything buried.
Right.
Because there's a ditch that ran right through here that I've packed full of concrete and trash.
Is that where all the trash went?
Yeah, the trash is buried.
I love it.
I mean, there's still some, a little bit.
Yeah.
I tried to pick out what I could, like the wood and then plastic pieces.
Well, you know the pile I was talking about.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I actually got a base back here, guys. I had the excavator back here. But yeah, I want to get some more feel for that over there. I might see if I can reach down in there and grab that plastic barrel.
You want me to grab it?
Yeah, you can.
Right here.
Yeah.
Make that better.
My next thing I need to do is unhook the dirt scoop off a goose, get my drawbar on so I can get this boat trailer out of here.
Briars everywhere.
Yeah, the excavator don't care about briars, it just yanks them. That's all right, Mom. I can reach it with the excavator when I get over there.
I'll get it.
She'll get it. But yeah, guys, that's a lot of real estate that we've never been able to do anything with because of what it was.
Walk down there.
Huh?
You can just about walk down there.
Huh? That ain't straight up and down?
Come here. I mean, it's sketchy, but look how close the bottom.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, it'd be sketchy. This would have to be cleared out a little
Right.
bit, or have like maybe
Right, but that's
half.
what's holding our bank up.
Huh?
That's what's holding our bank up.
So, yeah, I didn't know.
But yeah, guys, look at all that concrete I got shoved down in there.
Alright, Ryder, don't bite me.
Alright, guys, well, Momma Bear had her boots wowed off. She says keep going, so. But I'm going to leave this video here. I'm going to do a couple other little things, but nothing major. So, as always, keep on keeping on, my friends, because we love every single one of you.